What's up, y'all? We're starting this video a little differently. I want to shout out TGIN for sponsoring this video. Just know that the opinions are 100% mine. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the spa day. So the first step of my spa day is to just brush my teeth and give myself a whitening. My main priority for my self-care and spa days is just to give myself a little refresher and some TLC. And all I do is just apply the strips, leave them on for 30 minutes. Once the time is up, I'll just take them off and continue on with my routine. Next thing I'm going to do is moisturize and detangle my hair. I'm using the TGIN Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. I like to use the serum especially on my straight hair because it's not too heavy. It'll moisturize my hair but not weigh it down. So I just apply to the ends and to the top of my hair, my roots, and I just go through with my brush and detangle. I also like using the oil not only because of the light consistency, but also it smells really good and you can use it on your hair and your body, so you'll be seeing it in this video later on. But for right now, I'm putting back my hair because I'm going to wash my face, and you know, once you straighten your hair and that water hits it, it's going right back to its curls, and I don't want that. So now I'm going to take my African black soap with shea butter and charcoal by TGIN, and I'm going to wash my face. As you can see, the bar soap is really thick, so I cut it just for ease of use and also so I could have a piece to travel with when I go to work. But you can do whatever works for you. I like it because it doesn't have much of a fragrance. It's very easy to apply, and a little goes a long way. As you can see, I'm just going to use this bit on my face, and then I'm going to wash my face a couple times. So I'm new to African black soap, and if you are too, it's supposed to help with dark spots and clear acne, along with psoriasis, eczema, and other skin conditions. When I put it on, you can tell it lathers really nicely, but I really focus on my problem areas, which is around my cheeks, so I give that area a little extra love. I just love how soft and clean my skin feels after using it. I do want to mention though that I have combination skin, so I think that this particular black soap would work best for those who have combination to oily skin. So next I'm going to use my Hello Calm Hydrating Mask by Origins. I'm going to apply a little water to my face because I think it helps absorb the mask a little better and it applies a little easier. I like this mask because it does really put the hydration back into your skin and it leaves you with a glow. It's the winter time, and y'all know I'm a flight attendant, so my main priority in skincare is having clear skin, but also putting back all the moisture in my skin that I lose from the weather and just being at work. I do leave this mask on for a while, but you don't have to do that. However long you choose to leave it on for is completely up to you. Smooth setting time, and I'm adding lavender oil to my diffuser because it's so calming. I love this diffuser. Got it from Walmart. The small little details make it so much better. I can change the speed and the color, and I just feel like that makes me feel better and it puts me in a better mood. I'm going to set my bath, and I'm going to start with TGIN's natural soap. It has shea butter, olive oil, and lemongrass in there. I'm just going to add little chunks of that. Then I'm going to throw my eucalyptus bath bomb in there. And then I'm going to add Dr. Teal's Epsom salt with a little bit of eucalyptus. And then I'm going to add my lavender oil. I really wanted this bath to not only relax my mind but my body. If you do physical work or you're on your feet all day, it's really important to soak in things that'll help relieve stress, swelling, and tension from your body. As much as we love baths, it does not replace a shower, so you know after that soak, your girl gotta get in and get clean. Alright, y'all, now it's time to moisturize. It's very important. It's the winter time. You don't want dry, cracked skin. I'm going to go in with the TGIN's Organic Shea Butter. It's really good for psoriasis, eczema, dry skin, and what I like to do is mix the shea butter with the hair and skin serum that I used earlier to really lock in that moisture, and I promise you're not going to have to apply anything else on your skin. If you want to get any of these products, they're available at Walmart, Target, Ulta Beauty, and the TGIN website. I'll also list everything I used in this video in the description below. But thank you so much for relaxing with me today. If you use any of these in your next spa day, definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. Like this video before you leave, subscribe before you leave, and again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.